Guys, welcome back to another video. So today I want to talk about some really good gaming or podcast microphones. So backstory, we were doing a desk setup upstairs in our main bedroom and we were moving things around, and I think Paula's Blue Yeti microphone finally broke. And I think the problem is the cord. If you guys don't know, the Blue Yeti usually has a micro USB cord, so those usually break a lot since they're so fragile, and they just kept staticking no matter what we did. Luckily, our friends at FiFine sent us a podcast microphone, so I currently have the FiFine K688 microphone with me. So it is an XLR/USB dynamic microphone. So I can't wait to get this unboxed, and I'll give you guys my review and my opinion. Alright guys, so we have the FiFine box over here. So the FiFine comes with this really cool red and black box. So inside the box, we have a manual. We have the FiFine microphone, and it looks like it comes with a shock mount, and we have this little ring right here for your arm, and we also have a USB-C to USB port, so that's cool. So we don't have to use a USB-C port on our computer. And then for the mic, for inputs, we have the XLR over here. We have a USB-C port. We have a headphone jack for monitoring, and we have your gain volume over here, and this one is monitoring mix. So really cool. Can't wait to set this up upstairs. So I'm gonna go set this up right now, and then we'll give it a really good sound test, and we'll play some games, and I'll give you guys my final thoughts. Okay, so we have the arm right here that we're gonna use, and then this is the mic. Really easy to install, honestly. Just have to keep twisting it like this. Sorry for the sound. This way. Okay, so let's do a little bit of sound test. So for sound test today, I currently use the Shure MV7 microphone, and I'm gonna use that. I'm just gonna plug it into my computer. It's gonna be raw, and I also want to try Paulas' headphones up there. So she has the G Pro Lightspeed 2nd edition. So we're gonna use that microphone. We're gonna compare it with the Shure MV7, and we're also gonna use this K688 mic. So here is the sound test, and let me know how they all sound. Okay guys, we're back. So currently this is the sound test of the FiFine K688 microphone. We have everything set up right now. This is the distance of the microphone, and it's really cool because there's a mute and unmute button up here that I didn't even notice for the first time. So when we use this microphone, we're gonna be playing games. So I'm gonna go start Valorant real fast, and we'll see how that sounds. Okay, Valorant is finally launched, guys. So this is how we would use it. I'd be playing Valorant up here, and Paula would be playing Lego Fortnite or Pal World. So how does it sound? I think I'm gonna jam on my keyboard. Do you guys hear me typing away or pressing keys? So I think from what I remember, when I first initially heard the mic, it sounded good. My only thing is I have to raise the gain all the way, because in OBS it was showing that if it was only in the middle, it was really low. So it wasn't hitting all the way to the top. So now I pumped it up, and I think it sounds really good. It's not hitting red on OBS, so that means it's perfect. So again, how does it sound while playing video games? Alright, so I'm gonna switch over to my mic downstairs, and you let me know how this sounds compared to the MV7. Okay, so I'm back here downstairs. This is the Shure MV7 microphone. This is how close I am. So how does this sound compared to the FiFine K688 mic? I'm really interested to see what it sounds like, because I know what this sounds like, and I just kind of heard that. So now I can't wait to put these side by side, and I'll give you guys my thoughts. I'm also gonna put in the Logitech mic from the headset, the Lightspeed Pro V2. So we'll try that. But let's launch a game, and so we'll see how this sounds as well. Okay, so I launched WoW. I haven't played this game in a long time, and I kind of wanted to get back into it, but I don't know yet. It just sounded interesting at the moment, so I decided to create a level 13 druid. So I'm currently level 13, still leveling. And by the way, I decided that I wanted to stream on Twitch, so I'm gonna link my Twitch and Kick stream here. I just started, not a lot of followers, but if you guys want to follow, I'll link it here. It's just a self plug. And again, how does this sound when playing a game? I'm gonna plug in the Logitech microphone now, and I know not a lot of people like that mic, so we'll see. And I'm talking about the Logitech V2 Lightspeed Pro. So it's the wireless headset microphone, and a lot of people don't like it because compared to the Razer just sounds so much better. So let's go back upstairs, plug that in, and I'll give you guys my final thoughts. Okay, so now we're using the microphone from the Logitech, and I don't know how this one sounds, but I'm pretty sure it's not as good because when we review this, everyone complains about this microphone. So I'm almost positive that this guy right here will be a lot better. So again, this is the sound test of the Logitech microphone. Okay, so we're back. So let's finally wrap this up. So it looks like the FiFine microphone comes in 3 variant colors. It comes with white, pink, and what I have is the black one. And it's currently really inexpensive at Amazon right now. It's about $60. And what I really liked is its features. So it had USB-C, you can be XLR. I know that's pretty important to a lot of people because a lot of my friends use the Go XLR, so they want a microphone that can be plugged in via XLR. And I'm pretty sure if you plug it in via XLR, it's gonna sound so much better. But honestly, for normal day-to-day use, gaming usage, USB-C sounded really, really, really cool. And what's great is the price. So for $60, it sounded almost as good as the Shure MV7 microphone, and the Shure MV7 microphone is literally $250. So the two difference that I saw is the Shure just gets so much louder and there's more bass, and that's just plugged in USB-C. And the Shure has software so you can adjust, but honestly with the FiFine microphone there was no software, and you still have your monitoring. If you wanted to plug in some headphones, you have your headphones and you could do like a mix on some sort. And then the gain, I had to crank it up all the way to here, but that's kind of standard, it looks like, for dynamic microphones. This would definitely be a really cool microphone if you wanted to start like a podcast on a budget. Honestly, it's really cool for gaming as well, but to be honest with you, now that I've tried this microphone, I was so surprised that you don't actually need an expensive microphone. So if you're thinking about getting like a gaming microphone, like let's say you're thinking about getting like the HyperX or like even the Razers, right? Like this for $60 is such a good deal that I would actually recommend it. So what do you guys think? Did you guys like this video? Some kind of like sit down vlog style video. So again, I would like to thank FiFine for sending me this microphone to try out, and it was gonna be living in Paula's desk from now on since we did break our mic. So thank you guys for watching. So if you could do me a favor, hit the like button, hit subscribe, help me get to 1K. That's gonna be my next milestone for this channel, and follow me on Twitch if you guys just want to hang out. So thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.